Many people believe that starting a business requires huge capital, big offices, and large teams. That belief is outdated. Today, smart entrepreneurs are building profitable businesses with limited funds by focusing on innovation, speed, and problem solving. Low investment does not mean low profit. It simply means you use creativity instead of capital as your main tool. In this video, we are sharing 5 innovative business ideas with low investment for the new economy. Number 1. Digital Asset Rental Studio. Instead of selling digital products, rent them. This includes website templates, mobile app UI kits, business dashboards, automation systems, and CRM frameworks. Clients use them monthly. You earn recurring income with very low setup cost. Number 2. Hyperlocal Subscription Service. Create a weekly or monthly subscription service for essential needs like fresh veggies, ready-to-cook meals, office snacks, or wellness kits. Partner with local suppliers. You manage logistics, branding, and customer experience with minimal upfront cost. Number 3. Online Operations Setup Service. Many small businesses struggle with systems. You offer complete digital workflow setup such as order management, payment systems, invoicing, customer tracking, and automation tools. Businesses pay well because you save them time and confusion. Number 4. Virtual Product Customization Studio. Let customers customize products online like notebooks, phone cases, gift boxes, apparel, or travel kits. You take orders digitally and manufacture only after payment. This avoids inventory loss and keeps the investment extremely controlled. Number 5. Local Influencer Commerce Engine. Build a back-end system that connects micro-influencers with local brands. You handle product listing, order management, delivery coordination, and payment settlements. You earn commission on every sale without owning any products. Low investment businesses grow faster when backed by smart production strategies. If you are planning to build something on a larger manufacturing scale, then your next learning step is crucial. Watch our next powerful video on 51 manufacturing business ideas to start a manufacturing business to explore scalable production-based opportunities.